Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Candy. I'm obsessed with beauty, so make sure you subscribe for some awesome videos like today's one. Today I'm actually sitting down and finally filming the Scarlett Hill makeup range or beauty range products from Mr. Price. Now I know it has taken me some time to actually get to filming this tutorial, and I just quickly want to address the problem around, not the problem but the issue around this product. Everyone knows that there was quite a social media uproar with regards to not a lot of Indian models involved in this campaign. What's nice to see is that Mr. Price has really changed that. I saw them working with an Indian influencer and actually paying her to create products, to create videos using these products. At the end of the day, I would just like to say that it all comes down to how the product performs on your face. For me, Mr. Price catered for every single skin tone. They do have everything from light until dark. They have 4 different skin complexion palettes when it comes to blush and contouring, so they did really cater for every skin tone. For me personally, I do not like to get involved in politics and stuff around that, because I'm really here for the love of makeup, and at the end of the day, it's how these products perform on your face and your skin type. I don't really care around the campaign, what people are used, what models are used and that sort of thing, because even though that is great, it really is more about how the product performs, and that is what my channel is all about. I want to review these products and share my passion with you guys. So I just wanted to put that behind me. As I said, Mr. Price is really making a change with regards to their campaign. But without further ado, let's jump into this fun video where we are testing out these products, where I'm giving you my first reviews, giving you the prices, the lowdown and all the fun stuff. So without further ado, let's get started. So just quickly before we start, I did divide this into 2 parts. So the first part will be body and face, body and face, and then the second part video will be makeup related. So this is going to be part 1, and then you can just stick around for part 2. Oh, I literally feel like a 12-year-old girl. Look at me, I feel so strange without lashes, and I think I look pretty weird as well. Anyways, let's get into trying out these different products. I'm gonna put on the face mask and then I'll talk you through the products I just used to bath. So first up, let's quickly put on our face mask and then we'll have a little chat. So I have 3 different ones here. I have the cleansing face mask, a brightening face mask, and a moisturizing face mask. Now, what's amazing about these are that they only retail for R39.99. $39.99, which I think is so affordable, and you also get different ones. I absolutely love the packaging. I believe this is like a limited edition one, so I think let's do this one for today. So while we're waiting for this to do its job, I know I look super weird, but hey, it's a sheet mask life. I thought we could chat about the bath bombs, because I used that to bath in earlier to literally try it out. Now I had 3 different ones, the ones I obviously used. So you get these cute little shaped ones. This is like a shell, the other one I used is a diamond, and these are $35.99. And then you have this bath party round one, which is $29.99. Now when I first bought the extra one, I bought 2 extras I think, and I was like, this is so affordable, because I'm a big Lush fan. So I really love Lush. I remember years ago when I started buying Lush, it was about 35 Rand a bath bomb. When now it's almost like 80 bucks. So I thought, oh my gosh, it's amazing. We have something affordable again. But I feel like I got excited about it too quickly, because when I tried it out this morning, I was kind of underwhelmed. Like, I expected more from it. The smell, I didn't really smell it in my body. I didn't really feel a difference. I like the whole experience of a bath bomb, so it must really like light up your bath. And as you can see, the one I used kind of just looked like I was taking a bath in vitamin C. it was very underwhelming. I would have liked glitter or some sort of milky texture to the bathtub where you can't really see through the water. Just something fun. So I'm not sure if this one would do that, because I see this one is a bit shimmery, but when I try it out I will definitely let you guys know. So these ones I probably won't be purchasing again, but if you want to try them out for the fun of it, they really are affordable, which is nice. Next up, I want to chat about this shower cap. I love shower caps. I always wear them when I bath or shower, because when my hair is straightened, I don't like the heat from the bath to kind of, you know, I have curly hair, so this kind of protects my hair. So I always use those cheapy ones that you get at a hotel, and they break pretty easily and they're not the best quality. And when I saw this, I was like, I just had to try it because it is so cute, and I actually really love that the elastic is really good quality. You obviously have the sort of plastic on the inside, but the little pink decoration knitting part is just something I'm obsessed with. This was also really affordable, 29.99 for a shower cap. That is ridiculous, and I look super cute when I shower. Okay, next up we're gonna use these babies. So I actually took these on holiday, and my mom ended up using them more because she has got quite like bad bags that swell underneath her eyes. And these ones really helped her. So you can just pop it in the fridge and then just kind of put it over your eyes. The only thing I say about this that is not nice is that obviously you can't leave it because it will fall off. But it's very soothing on the eyes. And I think if you really want to, you can kind of just like put it underneath the eyes. But I find like putting it over my eyes really just causes a relief. Actually quite nice for when you just want to cool down your neck area, or just kind of put them on your temples when you have a headache, or even here at the back of the neck, which I find actually helps. The other thing about this that I would say I don't like is that you can't just like rest it on your eyes, because it doesn't touch your eyes. You kind of have to press it in just for it to like touch your eyelids, but I guess it's just what it is. These were also really affordable. I can't remember the price, I'll just have to look for them, and I'll put it up here. Also just really love them, and I keep them in the fridge for whenever I have really morning eyes. Oh, hi there, welcome to my channel. Now this little guy really drew my attention. Everything about it screams cute. It has got this beautiful rose gold sort of color. It has little cat ears. It's just so cute and travel sizey. I was just obsessed with it. The price of it is $49.99, which is, I guess, okay for a brush. It depends what sort of brushes you buy. So I decided I'm actually going to do my hair while I'm still having my face mask on. But let's just see how this brush is. When I press it, it even goes in. So it's got like a little cushiony part, which is amazing because I'm super kleinsiggerig. So I guess that also just helps so it doesn't like hit your head as hard.
It's just so cute.
Okay. Ooh, I mean it's actually quite nice. Sure. Mr. Price, I see you. I'm sure you guys probably can't take me serious with this face mask on. This brush, I mean, it's not like super soft on the scalp, but it kind of feels like a massage as the bristles run through my hair. It actually feels amazing, and I can feel it detangling my hair pretty easily. So that is pretty awesome. I love this brush. It is so cute. I'm definitely going to use it in all my Instagram and videos. Let me know if you like it.
I love it.
Okay, I'm going to do my hair and then I'll be right back. Okay, my hair is done. I look like a grandma. Let's take this off. And then they say that you must just massage the serum into your face. I'm sorry, I put my little air cooler on because it's so hot. My skin feels really plump. Obviously this was a brightening mask and I can see it glowing. I don't know if you can tell on camera that it is pretty much glowy. It does feel a little bit tacky, but sometimes I do like that, because when you start with your makeup application, it's almost like it grabs onto that makeup and really holds it. But my skin feels nice. It's got little ears. I don't know if we will ever grow up with the cute stuff that's on shelves today. 39.99. It feels really fluffy and soft, and once again super affordable, because some of these I've seen cost over 100 rand. So I mean, you can tell it's also really good quality. Totally just messed up my perfectly set hairstyle. This piercing is so sore. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, wait. I don't think this was a good idea. Not with this hair, however. Okay, fail. Okay, I think let's just... I can't take myself seriously. Okay, I'm gonna try this another time, because I don't think it yeah, as you can see, it didn't work with this hair. But I really love this. I don't think anyone can hate a hairband, and it's really cute. I mean, look at it. I'm gonna film some skincare tutorials with this one for sure. Next, I just wanna kind of try a wet wipe. I know I don't have anything on my face right now, but I just kind of want to feel the quality of the wipe. So this is the Let's Get Unready facial wet wipe. I'll probably try this tonight when I take off my makeup as well, just to give a full-on review. But this was 29.99. Usual face wipe prices are between 25 and 40, even goes up to 100 rand if you're looking at more expensive ones. I really love the packaging. It is so cute. So let's try this. It's very soft on the skin, but I would pretty much compare it to a normal baby wet wipe, the way it feels and looks. It's not anything amazing, but I mean, it is just a wet wipe, so we're going to test it out later on and see how it removes makeup. But just from the way it looks and feels, it's just a normal wet wipe. Nothing fancy, except the packaging. The packaging is pretty fancy. So next we're going to touch base on body products and also the tools I got before moving on to doing the actual makeup. So the first thing I want to try out is this Honey Body Spritzer. They have a few different fragrances available. This one retails for 49.99. I know my sister uses body spritzers that are about 150 rand, 130 rand. So I do also think, I'm probably saying this all the time, like, it's so affordable. But that is really what Mr. Price catered for. They catered for people who don't have a big budget for beauty products. But what I love about what they did was, with everything, it has sort of like this really high-end sort of look. When you feel the product, you can feel there's cotton and there's plastic and it's more affordable packaging, but the way it looks is really cute and it doesn't say cheap. Do you get what I'm saying? So yeah, this is the honey citrus one. So I'm gonna spray this on my... Woo! I maybe sprayed a bit too much. It smells really nice. It smells like honey and citrus. And the real question is really to see how long it will last. But I do think if you apply like a body butter and then you apply this, it will actually work quite nicely. Okay, next up, next, I quickly want to talk about the tools I got. So they have quite a lot of brushes. This was given to us with the launch, and to be pretty honest with you, I've never been a big fan of these toothbrush style brushes. I feel like as quick as they came in, they kind of went out, but some people still want them and some people want to use them because they're cool. Personally, I don't really use them for makeup, but I am going to try out this one with a product I'm going to show you right now. So yeah, they basically come in a set of 5, these oval brushes, and they cost 120 rand for 5 brushes. quite honest with you, I've never used this and went, oh, this made my makeup routine so much easier. In fact, I do feel like sometimes it made it so much harder to work with. I think the only nice thing about this big one is that you can use it to blend out your foundation. But I just prefer a kabuki brush. And I know they also sell the set with 3 kabuki brushes, which I believe do have a foundation brush in there. But anyways, it's just my personal opinion. I'm not a fan of these. Doesn't mean that these aren't great. It's just that I don't really use these brushes. I'm going to use this one, however, and then I quickly wanted to show you this one I also bought. This one is so nice for bronzing. So it's really big and fluffy, and it was only R39.99. The unicorn handle, but I actually was really interested in this. Now, a lot of people would use this as a highlighter. I personally feel like this brush is too soft to use as a highlighter. I prefer more of a dense brush when applying my highlighter, but for bronzer, girls, to contour, and the softness of it just really buffs out the product, and I'm excited to try this. So we're definitely going to try this out when we do our face brushes. And then another set that really drew my attention was this one. Okay, so why, you may ask? When I saw this brush, I was like, oh, this is perfect for cut crease. So I'm going to test it out today. Also, the middle brush, freaking amazing for carving out brows because it's so dense and it's so flat. Usually brushes like this is so hard to find because they're either quite tapered, which doesn't really help with the cut crease because you want like a rounded flat top, or they're too thick, so then the product doesn't really slap on as flat, if that makes sense. It was like R39.99, super cheap, and I honestly think it's gonna work wonders. I'm super excited to try this. I should maybe buy myself a set or 2 before putting out this video because everything is going to be sold out. Once people realize that this is the cut crease brush secret, Mr. Price is going to make sales, you guys. They're going to make sales. Okay, so I do have a nail polish here. I'm not really going to talk about nail polishes. It's not really my niche when it comes to beauty. I've got acrylic nails, and on my toes I've got gel, so I can't really try this out. But this I'm going to give to someone. R19.99 for a nail polish. Pretty affordable once again. I seriously look like a granny throughout this whole entire video. I apologize, but please stick with me. Stick with me. We're going to get into makeup now. So let's just quickly do the parts that I wanted to show you. So Scarlett has launched body bronzers. Now this is phenomenal. This is so unique because there's not a lot of products like this out on the market. Obviously you can use any bronzer on your body, but sometimes some bronzers are so pigmented and brown that when you put it on your body you can kind of see, well, I have brown. What's awesome about this is when we swatched it, it was super bronzy and beautiful. So I really want to try it out on my body. 2 different ones. I got the Stay Golden and the Cinnamon Syrup. These are $69.99. As you can see, just a super beautiful bronzy color. I'm obviously going to go for the Stay Golden because I don't think I'm tanned enough for, well, I don't really know which one. Yeah, I don't think I'm tanned enough for this one, and this one might just be too light. But I got them both because I want to use one when I'm super tanned and the other one just for normal. And oh, it is so beautiful. Okay, I mean, this is just gorgeous. It's not too much, it's not too subtle, but you can definitely see I've got them glow. Girl, look at that. Oh my word, I love it. Wow. This is a product I would definitely recommend because it's just perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I love it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a bit of spritz and then just spray that on. And then kind of just work it in. Look at that. Love this. Mr. Price, I love it. Okay, so finally we can get started with my face. So I'm going to skip to part 2 now. So make sure you click on the next video so you can watch the part where I play with the product on the face.